Looking for the perfect condo that offers a balance of modern living and outdoor space? Well, look no further than this stunningly remodeled home at 4022 Primavera Road in Santa Barbara, California. Complete with a 2-car garage and private backyard with a covered patio, outdoor seating, and hot tub, this condo lives and feels like a single-family home. Located in a central and convenient location near Upper State Street and the La Cumbre Mall, while only minutes away from downtown, the beach, and hiking trails. This quiet neighborhood in San Roque is known for the great schools and beautiful landscaping with tree-lined streets as you approach the home. I'm excited to show you all the modern updates inside. Come take a look around. With a large driveway and 2-car garage, there is plenty of parking and storage. The unique layout of 2 single-car garages gives the flexibility to use one garage as storage and one as parking, or potentially rent out one garage for extra income. However you want to use it, it adds flexibility. Laundry is conveniently located in the unit. Additionally, the furnace was recently replaced along with new ducting in the attic to ensure efficient heating. As you enter the unit, you'll be immediately impressed by the open floor plan that offers a seamless flow between the living, dining, and kitchen areas. The kitchen is truly a chef's dream, with updated stainless steel appliances, farmhouse sink, and custom-made maple wood floating shelves and matching island countertop. You'll love the sleek and durable quartz countertops, which are complemented by a classic and timeless subway tile backsplash. A custom-made vent hood wrapped with shiplap adds the perfect touch of farmhouse charm to the kitchen, and white shaker cabinets offer ample storage space. Recessed lighting and updated electrical in the kitchen complete the modern updates. In the living room, you'll find a modern Edison bulb iron light fixture and built-in wine bar and countertop. The updated fireplace boasts a sleek tile surround, wood mantle, and shiplap wall, creating a cozy and inviting ambiance. The guest bathroom has been thoughtfully updated with a walk-in shower and complements the space well. Crown molding and plantation shutters add elegance and style to every room of the house. And the interior has been recently painted for a fresh, updated look. You'll see the primary suite is large enough for a Cal King bed, and there's additional storage in the large armoire. The master bathroom features a double vanity sink with white marble and a spacious shower, complete with a large jet tub for ultimate relaxation. The only common wall in the entire home is in this bathroom here. Step outside to the private and tranquil backyard, where you'll find a covered patio for shade and privacy, a high-end engineered wood deck, an outdoor shower, and a hot tub that you can enjoy on cool nights watching the stars. It's the perfect place to relax and unwind after a long day. This condo truly has it all. Modern updates, a spacious and welcoming layout, and a private backyard oasis. Contact John Gilkeson and the Zia Group to schedule a showing today.